Please.
That's the bill. You are putting it in your, you will have to use your good office to ensure that taxation of the recruitment rules. Advertisement for recruitment shall be issued, whereafter the concerned department shall make sincere endeavor to ensure that the recruitments are made on the posts notified without wasting any further time. Stop. By February 2026, a further affidavit shall be filed pleading compliance of the directions contained in this order.
Madam. Can it be March, madam?
Pleading compliance and the correct.
If Lordship deems fit,
Can it be March instead of February, madam? March.
if Lordship may deem fit, Lordship statement will also be recorded as on affidavit that they have no contractual teachers, because I don't know
Yes, my lord.
what's the factual position there.
I've already stated in my earlier affidavits.
No teacher has been appointed by the state or
Contract or ad hoc.
Ad hoc.
All of them are regular.
Contractual public ad hoc.
Nice.
No, next state is Rajasthan. my lords.
Kerala has come.
Lords, I'm sorry, my lords. My apology. I was waiting downstairs at 3:30.
He called it before.
Yes, my lords.
Yes.
Before that, my lords, I just to continue from the last day, my lords. I just want to just one.
For Kerala, I just wish to state one thing, my lords. Then, of course, my friend is there for state. Just a minute, Dinesh. No, my point is something else, my lords. As an amicus, my lords, what they say in their subsequent affidavit that they have 6,307 contractual teachers already working. Now, of course, when they are working, they have some infrastructure where the contractual teachers are already working. So my suggestion to your lordship with greatest respect is that, pursuant to March 25 order, for those contractual teachers, a screening committee was to be formed, and in case they are found to be RCI qualified, eligible, then at least the process could have been started. To state to say that they have no infrastructure or they have funds deficit because of center not cooperating and etc., my lords, this can be applied for regular teachers to be appointed on an advertisement basis. But those who are already working on contractual basis, my lord, that can at least that process can start for screening committee purpose, my lords.
Lords, just to answer that first, then I'll come to the other parts of it, my lords. We are not running away from the facts. We are fully conscious that we have to appoint. We are also looking into that fact. We have appointed the search committee, my lords. We are also the only thing is there is a fund issue. Fund issue that I'll explain it later, my lords.
Contractual teachers are concerned.
Yes, lords.
Have you find out whether they are competent to be appointed on substantive basis?
My lords, my lords,
By Justice Julia and Justice Tandon.
yes, my lords.
Have you
Lords,
the effort in that behalf?
My lords, I inquired about the state authorities, how these people are appointed. So these people are appointed by interview, a proper interview, and my instruction is there is no proper scrutiny happen, but most of them are RCI qualified. Only thing we don't want to say, we don't want to be thankless. They also work so many years. We need to accommodate them, and at least they should also be given preference when we are appointing them. No doubt about it, my lords. And we also respect their services. Only thing is we just looking into that. I'll come to that, my lords. But system is functioning now. Before that, my lords, just to continue from what
Mr. Dinesh, so far as 607.
6,307. 6,307. 6,307.
607.
yes, it's a huge number, and we'll have to have about 400 to 500 crores yearly. And the problem is, a lot of funds are blocked with the central government. We are negotiating. We are talking.
That will be ascertained from solicitor.
Please, my lords.
Once they are in service on contract basis.
Yes, my lords.
It supposes that there is infrastructure, there is student population who are in need of special teachers.
My only respectful submission, my lords, we have identified one number. I don't know exactly on what basis this number is, because now what we have done is whoever has got slightest problem, they are being treated as CWSN. So that number, inside the state also, there are conflicting opinion that our number may be 60,000, but there is also a view within the school administration that we should identify each and every, irrespective of the certificate, so that we will have more numbers, because idea is inclusive education and find out all students having difficulties. So that way our number will be more and number of teachers will also be more in our state. So that responsibility we have, and this search committee will be able to identify what is the exact number of teachers we require. But for the time being, apart from regularization, the system functions in the sense that we have cluster, so far as cluster style education is concerned, we are fulfilling that. Because the cluster in the sense that in the same complex, primary, secondary, schools and upper primary schools are available. So these teachers are managing students in the same cluster, and we also have block level resource centers. So the nearby schools, we supply manpower from this block wherever they require. So that's how we are really attending, and all the teachers are also being trained. They are sensitized. The regular teachers who are not RCA qualified, but they are also sensitized and they are also handling the situation on the ground. But the question remains that teachers are not regularized. They are still functioning on contract basis, but some of them are paid 30,000 rupees, some of them are plus two plus 1 year diploma qualification. Payment is also less comparatively. They should have been some 20,000, but plus 2 plus 1 year diploma.
But to initiate an exercise to find out who are the RCI qualified.
We'll do that, my lords. We'll do that.
And as per the order, if they are found to be competent, you need to appoint them on regular basis.
We can do that, my lords. The only thing is we need some breathing time. We are never saying no to any of this, my lords. We are conscious about it.
What about the funds?
My lords? Funds. The so far as
Government has not given.
yes, I'm sorry. Funds are concerned, my lords. Because there are central government as good. I'm not blaming, and there is no blame game here, my lord, center state. But so far as concerned is, there are issues with the central government. So far as fund deployment is concerned. And we have also filed a suit before this honorable court. State of Kerala has filed a suit for release of funds from the central government. And fiscal federalism is not too great. I mean, I should not bring that subject here, my lords, but that is not properly managed so far as fund deployment of central government, so far as state governments are concerned. And ours is a consumer state. And we don't have other revenue apart from IT. We don't have big industries because of the population and the geography of the state. So the internal churning or the making of money process, of course, state is, we have made about 50% tax collection intact. Earlier it was 40,000 and odd. We have made to 70,000 crores tax collection. So what we have done in between is tax collection has completely digitalized. And in India, Kerala is, as far as zero corruption is concerned, index, we are number one so far as no corruption is concerned. So whenever we are spending 100 rupees, it is going to the people. There is no corruption happening like most of the other states in between, my lords. So what we are trying is that, and because of the GST, that is also important aspect, my lords. Now the GST also, the GST reforms took place, and because of the GST also, we got the power only for taxing petrol, the oil, as well as alcohol, my lords, not industrial potable alcohol. So these are the two areas left with the state, and we have also introduced many kinds of cess.
Just pause for a moment. Yes, Madam Bhatti, you wanted to say something, we stopped you.
Yes, Malaj, we took instructions, Malaj, and the central government grants have to go through a system, Malaj. There were some queries from the state on utilization, etc., which they have completed, I understand, only in October. And now, Malaj, today, an amount of about 219 lakhs. So I think it's about 21 lakhs or, Malaj, though my chart says in crores, but the amount should be in lakhs because the main data so that will be released to them today, but they may complete the Malaj, the formalities that are required, submitting utilization certificates, etc., for previous spends and expenditure, and the amount will go, Malaj. There is a scheme. We have to abide by the guidelines of the finance ministry. So central grant has to go in that manner only, Malaj.
I'll just respond to that, my lords. We have complied with that. Just example, we have one landslide in Wayanad district of Kerala. We have to spend additionally non-plan expenditure about 1,200 crores. And we requested for funds from the state. We did not get 1 rupee from the central government. And there was Kerala flood happened. And central government deployed military persons, we had to pay for them. Central government gave us rice, we had to pay for them. in a natural calamity. So
Malad,
truly,
I'm sorry, I don't have instructions on these. I only have instructions on the.
that's why I don't want to get into that, my lord. That's also.
Let's not diverge the.
I have only gotten
No
instructions
politics.
on
No
payment
politics,
under
sir.
the
I don't want to
Samagra
aggravate
Shiksha.
the situation. Because
Malad, I have only got instructions under the Samagra Shiksha.
Direct state to scrutinize the credentials of this 6,000
Absolutely.
plus
Contractual teachers, yes.
contractual teachers, those who are found competent.
And,
They
the,
will be
and Lord, in fact, the order doesn't say regularize. My order says give the same pay scales.
because I'll just for the time
The
being,
central government is giving them funds, my lord. At least that process can start in the meantime.
for the time being, Lord, may kindly keep status quo so far as Kerala is concerned. I'll just come back, my lords. I'm not saying that next week itself.
That process has to start.
Yes, my lords. My lords, the problem, my lords, we have.
1,000 teachers, exactly.
Yes.
That
The problem,
you cannot get it
my lords,
done within a week or so.
we can't see, my lords.
Therefore, by the time you call upon
The problem, I'll
show us the progress that you have made.
the problem.
There are more than 1 lakh special children.
My lords, the problem, my lords, I'll just explain. Last time also explained. I spoke to the concerned authority, highest authority in the state. They said, see, we are outgoing government. We don't know who is going to come. I have no problem in
Election due.
Yeah, election is due next year beginning, my lords.
Next year.
Next, that means 2006 May.
2026.
Yeah, May, my lord. One second. He said, my lords, he says, look, I'm concerned, there is no problem. But for the time being, if I pass an order, we have to look at the holistic situation. Whoever is coming to the government next time, holistic situation, because management is the biggest issue.
Successor government can't say that they will not carry forward this move.
No, not that, my lords.
They say that we are there to take this.
No, my lords, the whole problem I'll tell you. Yes,
By the time your turn comes next,
yes.
you complete the exercise of finding out how many of these 6,000.
And then
But the cluster system is functioning now.
there are more than 1 lakh children with special needs as per their own affidavit.
But, my lords, I'll just come back.
Minuscule.
Lords, may kindly see the 2 pages also. I just want to assist my lords in this 2 aspects, my lords.
Lordship, after Mr. Dinesh, Lordship may kindly give me 2 minutes. I'm not there physically, I'm sorry for that.
Yeah.
My lords, I just made a sample survey format, my lords, for a better identification of the students, my lords. So far as basic school facilities, infrastructure requirement, human requirements, learning. These are the system we require, infrastructure we require for the proper support of CWS students, my lords. Now, after this, my lords, your lords may kindly see page 3, my lords, page 3. The total number of school is about 1 crore, my lords, 47. Then your lords may CWN is about this many. And your lords may kindly see schools with a CWSN friendly toilets, page number 3, my lords. Only 34% schools in the country has got CWSN friendly toilets. Schools with a functional toilets are 32%. And schools with ramps only 77%. Schools with ramps and handrails only 52%, my lords. And now, the next page, my lords, all those legislative things happened. One is the Act and relevant provisions dealing with the CWSN. The second one is RTE Act, my lords. RTE Act and CWSN Act, the important difference is, my lords, RT is only up to 14 years.
This has
But
been taken
CWSN
note
is
in
up
the
to 18 years.
2021 judgment, my lords. My
Yes,
friend
ma'am.
wants to reopen that judgment or what?
No, I'm not here to, I'm just supporting you, Leonard
It's on his state, my lords. It's not a general PI at the moment.
Now, please don't be, we are not, I'm not joining issue with you. I'm
Just
just,
joining issue with you also, but is it reopening the entire issue then?
Mr. Dinesh,
yes, my lords.
consider this.
Yes, my lords, these are the,
First proceed with you.
yes, my lords.
Mr. Talweza.
And, my lords,
We are informed that there are
I'll just,
excess of 6,000.
6307. 6307.
So, but teachers discharging duty on
Rajasthan.
contractual basis. So,
Rajasthan.
Mr. Dinesh Lal, Senior Counsel for State of Kerala has made extensive submissions and presented certain concerns which need to be addressed at the appropriate level. Be that as it may, for the present, we are
आज यूपी को जाना है.
that the state must initiate an exercise to find out how many of the 6,000 so teachers are RCI qualified and competent to be appointed as special educators. The appropriate pay scale as referred to in the order dated 17th March, right?
7th March.
7th March 2025.
5.
Filed by the coordinate bench of the state. We require the state of Kerala to file a member affidavit by 31st January 2020
Deeply obliged, my lords.
for developments.
Lordship, may I make one submission? I am for the. Lordship, may I make just, Lordship, can you hear me? Am I audible, madam?
Mr. Basan, we'll come back to you, just wait.
Yes. Yeah, I'm led by Mr. Ragan.
Acha, you are yes.
I'm sorry, my lord, I'm not there physically, but so sorry, my lord. My lord, the state has filed a.
You must say that you are led by Mr. Basan.
My lord,
Yes.
State of Kerala has filed an affidavit pursuant to your lordship's order on 13th April 24. Lordship, I'll read that affidavit. In that, what they've said is, as of today, there are 2782 teachers working in this SSK, which is what learned ASD had said. That chart they've given, out of which there are people working for more than 20 years, 15 to 20 years, etc. And they say, as of today, we are being paid consolidated wage of 20,000 for elementary and 25,000 for secondary. If your lordship has time, please take that affidavit. 13th April 24 is a state affidavit. There is a chart which was filed pursuant to your lordship's order. Now today, and all that earlier order of 7th March, the division bench had said was, please form a screening committee, consider us 278 who according to them are working on contractual basis and see we're eligible. After that, every other state has done something. What Kerala has done is they've constituted a screening committee, but not a single meeting. None of us have been called. And today the affidavit only says all kinds of center versus state. I'm not concerned. All kinds of things have been said. They don't, even in the latest affidavit, the last paragraph mentions the constitution bench suit that they have filed, etc. They may have whatever problems with the central government, real, imaginary, I don't know. But whatever it is, my lord, when every other state is making an attempt to comply, Kerala cannot be heard to say the center is not giving me funds, therefore I can't comply. And Learned ASD has said, given the details of the funds also. So 6,000 is the figure, lordship, as of now. That is what they are saying, including unaided schools. We are not concerned. They are concerned government teachers who are teaching in government schools, teach the children. Last time he thinks of Kerala being safe and many absolutely correct. That is why we teachers have been functioning on contractual basis with salary of this print. So what I'm saying is the order of 7th March is equally applicable to Kerala as it is to India. For now, we don't want that centers in a I won't take the lot. I just one paragraph.
We have directed the state, we have called for an affidavit by 31st January.
As per the 7th March, they are supposed to do everything with 6 weeks. Now what will happen, the problem is this.
We can correct it.
Now what the Panchayat election will start now.
That's respect of all 6,000.
Mr. Ragan, I'm not against you. I'm with you.
Not 6,000 is 6,000 is the
Next state.
Rajasthan, lordship. The chart, lordship, see the chart.
Karnataka.
That chart. I hope that tabular form is there.
Page 7 of the chart.
Conducted examination, we are awaiting results for this compliance. With the 16th July 2022. Either one is chart or compliant.
This is a tabular form chart. Page 7, serial number 16, bottom of that.
Yes.
Now, what they say is that sanction posts,
Rajasthan?
page 7, footnote of page 7 also. CL number 16. Total number of sanction posts is 4399. Doesn't state about appointment, are they RCA qualified or not. What they say is that contractual teachers is only 174. And screening committee, yes, what they say is they have formed screening committee, but no appointments made, my lords. Now, Lordship may have the affidavit of Rajasthan, that is 22nd August 2025. In the affidavit, Lordship may come to page numbers, internal page 6. And if your Lordship may see, last two rows of that chart at page 6, and the second last column, that is 2654, Lordship got that? And the below that 2925. So we have total that. What they say is total special teachers sanction is 4399 if we add both of these total, my lords. In fact, if we add all these numbers, my lord, what they mean to say is that they have total special teachers which are sanctioned, my lords, is 4399. They don't mention that how many contractual teachers are there in the state in the affidavit. What they say subsequently is that there is only one contractual teacher at page 8, para 15. So some light has to be thrown by Rajasthan that how many just see page 8, para 15. Said screening committee had a meeting on so-and-so, matters pending before the aforesaid committee. As there is only one special teacher contractually appointed whose scrutiny is under process, and remaining 173 resource person appointed through placement agencies. Hence, so what they say is only one contractual teacher as per RCI, my lords. So this needs to be clarified by Rajasthan that are there any contractual teachers or not?
I'm appearing for Rajasthan, and Rajasthan is actually, if your lordship notices at page 5, we have actually mentioned the sanction posts.
Yes.
Now all of them are RCI qualified, and the strength, if your lordship notices, at para 10, we've said it is submitted that the present status of CWSN and special education in the state of Rajasthan as per the ratio of 10:1 for primary and 15:1 for upper primary and secondary is as follows. Lordship may leave this column. This first column is for class 11 and 12, which is not part of subject matter of this matter. Lordship may come to the next page at page 6 and read the column from below, Lordship, because it starts from teacher level. Last column, primary teachers. What is the number of CWSN students is in column number 3, 17213. What is the required ratio is 10:1. And how many is the required strength is 1721. And Lordship may say, the workforce is 2713. So what is the requirement is 1721, and what does the state have is more? It is 2713, Lordship. And we are taking additional teachers also. Their results are awaited for 212 sanction posts, more posts.
No, I don't know. My friend is getting from where it's meant for all 11, 12, everything. Why it's only confined to primary and upper primary level? 11th and 12th teachers also required, my lord.
We have to get sanctions. We have
That lecturer thing and all that.
I'll come to
How
that.
many teachers are in position on substantive basis working?
The
4,109.
4,109.
Where do we get it?
We'll have
From
to
the
add.
figures and figures and figures. Where do we find that? How many teachers are working actually?
Column number 8 has to be actually summed up, Lordship. Unfortunately, it's not done. I'll put in a better affidavit.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th column is only required.
No, Lordship, this is a workforce, sanctioned workforce. Present workforce in place. Lordships have got it? 7th column.
File a better affidavit and say what you have done from August till November.
We will do
And
that.
let them also clarify whether they are actually indeed contractual teachers or not.
We will-
One is something not digestible.
Rajasthan,
I will do that.
the affidavit dated 25th August does not say in so many words how many RCI qualified teachers are in position. Right. Rajasthan, state of Rajasthan is directed to find a better affidavit indicating what steps have been taken post filing of the said affidavit dated 25th August. Such affidavit should also indicate clearly
5352
how many
require करने
substantive appointees are in position and
by affidavit.
what is the number of contractual teachers with RCI qualification who have been employed. This statement is required even though in paragraph 15 of the affidavit which will aware that there is only one special teacher who is appointed on contractual basis. The state must verify the position and confirm the position on the ground. We wish that such better affidavit be filed by 30th November, first Tuesday in December.
Then Lordship may come to UP, my lords. Page 8 of that chart. Serial number 19, 19. Now, Lordship may see sanction post is 5352. Appointment only if RCI qualified, they say yes, we will do only RCI qualified teachers, my lords. Screening committee, they have complied, my lords. And then, my lords, they have not stated about the appointment process. Now, currently they have filed 2 affidavits as per my knowledge, my lords. If Lordship may come to the first affidavit of 26 August 2025.
August 1
No, we've actually filed a subsequent affidavit.
I come to that
25th of
subsequent.
October.
October we have.
Yes.
September I have.
No, we have 25th
you
of
filed
October.
two
The latest one is 25th of October.
कौन सा दिया
We
मुझे?
have only the August affidavit.
I have August and September. I don't have.
25th October.
I'll give you
October.
My friend can.
It's 2 pages.
Okay, I'll see that. But Lordship must see August 25 affidavit first.
We don't have that.
The first affidavit. What do we do?
यूपी का काम ऐसे ही रहता है
document
उल्टा
ID is
सीधा
134.
We have a September. 7th September.
Lord, may I just, because it's anyway 357, may I just hand over?
Let my friend point out what's the position was.
I'll point out. We have actually filed 5 affidavits.
3 मिनट और बचे
3 are by the basic education department and 2 are by the secondary education department. In the 3 affidavits on behalf of the basic education department, we have carved out the 5352 posts which my learned friend just mentioned. We have notified and we have also notified the schedule for the screening committee to verify the documents of the people who are working on contractual basis. So as far as the contractual basis is concerned, this is the situation. This exercise is likely to be completed by 3rd week of November is what we say in our latest affidavit of 25th of October. As far as the secondary department is
Copies of it, 25th October.
as far as the secondary department is concerned, Lord, there is no contractual teacher in place. We have issued the employment notification for 47 new posts of teachers for students with special needs. This is what we have done.
Same September.
In secondary,
47.
47 in secondary and 5,000, not more for,
Most populated state and only.
because on the basis of the data, my lord, your lordship may have that affidavit. That affidavit is 8th of September. We have the numbers of students also in government schools, my lord, because this is only dealing with government school teachers.
It's a part of affidavit. It's there.
Want to say something?
फंस गए बाबू भैया
Take it up on Tuesday.
Lordship, may I submit on UP only? Lordship, may I submit just one thing, Lord? There is an IA which I have filed 269937 of 2025, wherein, Lordship, what UP is doing, Lord, they are basically, Lord, there are no qualified teachers for CWSF. There are out of 5352 as of now, only about 730 qualified teachers are there working on contractual basis in UP. But there are other persons or other qualified persons like d.ed and RC, the thing which is required, Lordship. They may make appointment of those persons. If there are unqualified persons, my Lord, then of course they cannot be absorbed or regularized. What they can do, Lordship, if I may say so, they can at least my Lord, advertise, my Lord, for the rest of the post 7th out of 7th beyond 7:30, my Lord.
This is good
Because
line.
they cannot make appointment regular.
You see, we can't accept this that there are only 47.
47 is
No,
secondary.
I am on primary.
In case under 5,000, not because only in the government schools we have to look at, not in the private schools.
I am on primary level. I am on primary
Please
level.
don't confine the government schools, special children are everywhere, my lords.
इतना बड़ा स्टेट है, 47 पोस्ट
Lordship,
क्रिएट
next
हुई
5
है.
states can be ordered, my lord, so that apart from UP and Odisha, 3 more states can be added, my lords.
Just give the names of.
That is Haryana, Madhya Pradesh.
Do one thing, now that this is more than a month old, you can just take this.
West Bengal is one of those states where nothing has happened in respect to the.
Okay, we'll add West Bengal. According to us, something was complied. Anyway, my friends want let us.
No, West Bengal we have touched earlier.
No, I said it's bit complied, so I put it on bold. But my friends have some objection. Let's have.
Then, UP will continue. Next Tuesday, we will take it up.
Not in UP, may I seek your lordship's permission to file a fresh
affidavit.
Please.
If in UP, will just say one thing. I am appear filing this petition. I don't think contempt of that. Can you treat it as an IA because it's treat it as an IA.
Orissa Orissa, there wasn't enough time for Orissa today.
Lordship only wants to take UP next state or some more.
We will continue with UP.
And Odisha is already there.
States.
Yeah, that's the thing. Haryana, Madhya Pradesh.
1 minute. You have listed Delhi for 11th already.
Next Tuesday.
Yes, 11th.
Delhi will take the entire 30.
Delhi may take some time.
That suffices. The UP and Delhi would.
Look, Orissa may not take much time.
Yeah, Odisha can be done. Odisha is small.
If it could be taken up, maybe
So
first,
maybe,
if my
maybe
lords.
Delhi can remain on 11th with some couple of other states. UP can be on another date.
अरे वो बड़ी मुश्किल से लगा.
No, but on that date, Delhi also.
When UP will stand over for 2 weeks.
My lord,
18.
ये देखो.
We will take it up. We will take Delhi. Next.
UP, I have one suggestion in their affidavits. They've given data based on 61 districts getting back to them. They have 75 districts.
Just will update.
UP needs to ensure they have the information for all 75.
UP के लिए communicator updated affidavit shall be filed. If any district was within 10 days, this stuff.
Would my lords,
Take up UP 2 weeks later, along with West Bengal.
my lords would consider Odisha next time?
Next Tuesday, we'll consider Delhi and Odisha.
Yes.
We had excluded us by fixing arbitrary cutoff. My lord, that may be seen. Arbitrary cutoff had been fixed.
Very well. Thank you.
Obliged.
Grateful, Lordship.
लो भैया, सुनवाई समाप्त हो गई.